Hello my friends of the internet. Welcome, my name is Jen. If this is your first time to hear, I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos from shopping hauls and mostly just styling services because I like stylists to send me stuff. And my styling services, I like to try a wide array of styling services. So if that sounds good to you, then please subscribe below. Return viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back. Your comments, your likes, all that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Today I have the beloved Stitch Fix. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, oh boy, are you in for a treat. Stitch Fix is a styling service. They send you 5 items. There is a $20 styling fee that does get applied to anything you purchase unless you are offered the styling pass, in which you get to pay $49 for a year's worth of boxes. They give you 3 days to decide what to keep and send back what you don't like. You do fill out a styling survey, so that's what they kind of base what they send you off of. Plus you can put in notes for each box. And somebody get some shoes. They also give you a mailer to send back what you don't want to keep, so it's always easy and convenient. And a stylist note, a price sheet, and then a style card where they show you how to style things. So that's enough about the service. Let's just get into this. All right, I do have a pair of shoes, guys, so that's exciting. And then there is my bundle. Now, for this fix, I basically asked for a lot of things I got in last fix, but in different colors. I loved the blazer, but I didn't really love the camel color. I loved the skirt, didn't really want it in mustard. I love the green blouse, but I also got one in my short story box, and the short story one fit a little bit better, so I kept the short story one. So I loved a lot of pieces, and I just said, send these all to me in different colors. And I didn't ask for shoes, but I am happy to get, ooh, I feel a heel of some sort. All right, let's just get into this. All right, let's start with this. Ooh. Okay, this is the Maya Peep Toe Bootie, I guess I'd call it. I don't know what to call it, but other than just gorgeous. I really like this. I was looking for something similar to this all last summer, and I never really found anything I liked. So we'll see how this looks on, but I think it's really cute. I love like the little ruffle detail on it. I love the soft material of it, and I just think that's really cute. So this is a big contender to stay in my house. All right, now the bundle. I can't remember if I lifted it up to show you or not, but we'll just get into it. Okay, first piece. Ooh, that's pretty. All right, 41 Hawthorn. It is an ivory top, and it has kind of this like faux wrap bottom here, just look to it. And it's got this keyhole front and rounded hem in the back. And I think my favorite part of this is the ribbon tie in the back. I just think that is super cute. Oh boy, do I love this. I might be in some trouble here with this box. Okay, Fortune and Ivy. This is a blouse. This might be the same as that green blouse in the last box, but just in a different pattern. This is not me at all. It's stripes with floral on it, and I am very much into, while I do love stripes and an occasional floral, I'm very into just simple patterns, and this is just too big for me, just too much for me. So most likely that will not be a keeper, but we'll at least try that on. And then we have this. I'm very excited about this. This is the same as the camel blazer that I loved in the last box, but this is in more of a mauve color. Really excited about that. Just a very cute and unique blazer. And then, oh, I forgot. I had also asked for, I've got a couple pairs of tribal pants that I really love, and so I asked for more tribal pants in black and gray. So this is a gray, and it's cuffed, and I love tribal. So again, most likely this will be a keeper. So without trying anything on, I can already see 4 out of 5 items that I really, really want to keep. And I mean, I do have one credit. I'll look up the name before the end just to say thank you. So I do have one credit, so that does help. But I don't know. I mean, I can tell right now I'm going to want this to be a 5 for 5. So we'll see. Let's get it on. Oh, guys. I am in trouble with this box. I love this whole outfit. I'm ready to go to work now. Okay. Well, let's start at the bottom. So we have the gray tribal pants. They're a good length. They're going to be great to wear heels with. They fit just as wonderfully as my other tribal pants do. They've got the super high waist, which just kind of hugs you, makes you feel good. Really, really like these. Next we have the mauve blazer, and I really, really like it. I loved it in the camel, but I think it was the color that just really kept me from being like obsessed with it. So now that I have the mauve one on, I'm officially obsessed with it. It's super comfortable, it's warm, and it fits amazingly. You guys know half of these jackets, blazers that I try on, I look like a little kid wearing my mom's clothes. And so when stuff fits really well, that just makes me so excited. So, love this blazer. Absolutely love it. Okay, last up we have this top, and what I didn't realize is it comes with like this almost cami piece to it. I mean, it's all one piece. It's all joined together on the side, but it has this kind of cami look to it underneath the blouse, and I think it's gorgeous. I really, really love it. I like having white pieces that I can pair with different colored bottoms and things like that. I like the faux wrap look. It fits well. There's nothing that's too big or baggy on it. There it is in the back. So, all 3 winners. Alright, let's get the striped blouse on next. Okay, so we have the striped blouse on. It's a great fit. Just like the green one was, it was a great fit. Again, I just don't think the pattern is really my thing. But if it was, I might just ask for this again in yet another color or pattern, because I do really like the blouse. So I think that's what I am going to do, but I'd love to hear your guys' opinions on what you think of this blouse, what you think of the pattern. Alright, now let's go ahead and try on the shoes. Very excited about those. Okay, here the shoes are in some poor lighting. Sorry, I didn't bring my lamps into the shot. So, but you can still see the general gist of them. And here they are. I think they're very cute, but I'd love to hear all you wonderful ladies' opinions on these shoes. Okay, there they are. Alright guys, let's go over prices and then discuss what we're going to think. This was a great box, so this is going to be a tough one for me. So we have this is the Tribal Fia Cuff Straight Trouser, and it is $58, and I love it. I love the color. I love my tribal dress pants. I wore these to work yesterday. My only issue is I literally just noticed that some of this seaming is coming apart, so I am going to contact customer service and see if maybe I can get a replacement one. I don't know. Since I've worn it already, they might not do that. So we'll see, but I really love these, and I am keeping these as evident by I've worn them already. Okay, next we have this is the 41 Hawthorn Clearwater mixed material blouse, and I love this. Absolutely love it. I think it's gorgeous. I love the keyhole front. I love the kind of the shirt that's underneath the blouse. I love the ribbon tie back. I just really, really, really like this. Do I like $58 for it? No. I think all sleeveless shirts should be under $50. So, but it is a nice one, but I think it's overpriced. Will that stop me? I don't know. Why am I asking so many questions? I don't know. And then we had the Patrice Peep Toe Bootie, and it is $59. I love this. I think it's a beautiful bootie. I have been looking for something like this. I don't really want to pay $60 for it, and I could probably find something similar elsewhere, but I also really like them. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. We're just going to set it down for now. All right, then we have the Fortune and Ivy Christelle button-down blouse, and it is $42. It's actually a little, I think the green one was like $38, so it's actually a little bit more. This one, love the fit of it, do not love the pattern of it, so not a keeper. And then we have the French Mauve Melanie knit tunic blazer, and it is $88, and you guys know that I love it. So, oh, total for the whole box is $305. The buy all discount is 25% off, so that takes off $76.25. So if I wanted to buy all, it would be $228.75. So this is not one of my cheapest boxes, not even close. So the problem is I want to keep everything, but I'm not going to pay $228. So I need help. I will definitely be posting this before I return this. I think I actually extended this Stitch Fix to the latest possible due date, so I've got a couple of weeks actually. But I really could use some help from you guys to figure out what to keep, because I love everything and I'm just not gonna keep everything. So I need help deciding. Alright, so hopefully you guys will leave a comment below telling me what to do, and that'll help me make my decision. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to try Stitch Fix for yourself, there is a referral link below to get you $25 out of your first box. I almost forgot to mention Christy W. Thank you so much for using my referral link. That really helps. I really appreciate it. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Alright, I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Alright, thanks. Bye.